Begin your RCS journey on the Getting Started page of RCS in the dashboard. Press Create Agent to open our wizard for RCS agent setup. The first step is to enter agent details. The details added can be seen in the previewer to the right. Start by adding a name and description to the new agent. After that, you will need to upload a logo. After that, choose an accent color. The color you set here determines what color the buttons of your agent will have. As you can see to the right, I selected a nice Sinch yellow, but the contrast was too low. Let's go for a nice holiday red instead. Next up, decide and upload the banner you want. Default is using the same color as the accent color. However, you can also pick another color or upload an image. Then you have the opportunity to add an email, phone numbers, and website links to the agent. Let's add some URLs and continue to the next step. In the Settings step, you can further configure your agent. You can add an old app if you have any, or create a new app. If you're unsure what an app is, you can read the helpful texts to the right here. You can skip adding countries or add them right away. Note that if your country is not listed, it means you can't launch in that market yet. So select Add Countries Later and proceed to just register your agent. You can add countries later when it's time to launch. For this demo, let's add 2 of our favorite countries, Brazil and Sweden, where you can launch today. Let's also add Spain, France, and United Kingdom, since they have some special settings needed to show you what that's like. Next step consists of the Experience questionnaire. Here you can select different alternatives to answer questions, such as which triggers for sending messages the agent will have. You can also configure your own alternatives. You can manage the interaction descriptions by deleting, adding, and reordering them. For some businesses, it will be relevant to get consent from their users, for example. To prove this, you can add a link to a web page or upload a screenshot. For certain countries, we need some special configurations to enable and set up RCS. You can add those in the country-specific section of the questionnaire. The last step is the summary step. Here you get an overview of all the configurations made and how it will affect the look of the agent. If any changes are needed, there's a handy edit button that will bring you back to that step. And that's it. We're done. Quick and easy, right? Now let's press the Create button. Let's try sending a test message before we launch the agent to make sure everything is running smoothly. Let's add a number to an RCS-compatible phone and send a test message. Note that the number added must be RCS enabled. Now I got a message on my phone. I will confirm being a tester and then send my first message. Wow, success. That looks great. Now all that's left is launching. Let's fill in the form and press launch. There you go. All done, and your RCS agent is created and launched.